Hey guys, welcome back to the pink envelope. We are unboxing Happily Date Box. Like, there is an entire night's date inside here. Happily is $39.99 and it's monthly, except for when you sign up with me. You get your first box for 50% off, which is amazing. I always forget which corner, but I'm pretty sure it's this corner that I will do the pop-up for the last Happily video that we filmed, which ended up being a lot of fun.
It was a lot of fun.
And you actually got into it.
I did.
Which was shocking and exciting. So John made us, what are we drinking?
These are cucumber gimlets.
They're not anything to do with this box, but if we're on a date, we're gonna drink. You know what's in here.
I do. Looks fun.
I don't know what's in here. So, you open the box and on top it says Date Prep. These are the suggested ingredients and tools to have on hand to make the most of your date. 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of water, and 2.5 tablespoons of melted butter or margarine. Then the optional items are almonds and walnuts and fudge and strawberries and chocolate chips, marshmallows, Oreos. Are we making brownies?
Yes.
Okay. Welcome to your date. It's time to spice things up. What's inside? It has a list of everything, which is a custom date playlist, so you can play the Happily Spotify music while you're on your date. Conversation starters. I actually happen to think those are really great. I don't know. We haven't been on a first date in 16 years, so I don't know if they're helpful for like first dates. We think they're hilarious because I usually don't have a problem starting a conversation.
What's one skill or talent you wish you had and why?
Singing.
Singing?
I wish I could sing beautiful, but I am confident the good Lord did not give me a good voice. In fact, He made my voice so bad that I would never be cocky about it, because I would be so cocky about it. Oh my gosh, what's yours?
Talent? I have lots of talents. I'm good.
Humblism. I'd like some humblism. Digital Idea Vault. Oh, homemade brownie, a gluten-free brownie mix on the recipe card. Titillating Tic-Tac-Toe.
That sounds awesome.
That's why you picked this box. And Dirty Dies. I'm picking the box next time. And why I say picking the box, we were behind a couple of boxes, so we just leave them on the corner. And then when we can break free, we just grab a box off the shelf, because we can.
Brownie instructions.
Okay. Titillating Tic-Tac-Toe.
Yeah, that's later.
Why'd you point towards the bedroom?
Oh,
Okay.
Little brownies.
Well, I mean, it's not supposed to be for a family of 6. This is a date. All right.
Preheat oven to 350 degrees.
Done.
Preheating. Pour brownie mix into a mixing bowl. Add eggs, butter, and water and mix well. Scoop batter into prepared pan and spread evenly with a spatula. If batter is too thick to spread, add a bit more water.
Got it. Let's go. So it says to grease a small baking pan. So I just got one of my smallest loaf pans. Hopefully that'll work, because this is definitely like brownies for 2. We'll see. The brownies are in the oven right now. What is the Idea Vault? I saw it on the main list. I see this link here.
Spice it up Idea Vault. Warm. If you're looking to keep things PG, okay, they got a bunch of ideas for that.
Like 2-minute makeout session. Slow dance to a song. Massage. Insert area. Oh.
Like massage your back, massage, shoulders. What were you wanting to massage?
Insert area is a bad way to say that. Make out with a piece of candy.
Reenact your first kiss. So this is
Okay,
PG.
PG
Okay, I like
mix.
it. But the hot suggestions for those who don't want to keep it PG, a strip tease. Oh yes, please.
Yeah. Are you?
Yes.
You gonna strip?
Yeah, and yes.
No.
As long as
no.
you do a lap dance. A wrestling match, R-rated version. All right, naked twister. That's a good one too. 30 seconds of freedom. Blindfold your partner and get 30 seconds of fun. Okay. Is it getting hot in here?
Yeah, it's hot. And also, I'm seeing you have a different energy level.
Naked yoga. Yes, please. Okay, whipped cream bikini. Do that all the time.
Why are you so all about reading hot but not warm?
Sexy math.
Oh my gosh.
9 times 8 minus
Math
3
is
equals...
never sexy.
Okay.
All right, let's go in the bedroom or somewhere else.
Yeah, play the games. That sounds
Let's
fun.
go. Okay.
Oh, wow.
Look, see, I went romantic.
Wow. Oh, that's
You're
really
welcome.
good.
It's really good. I already ate some while I was making these bowls.
Okay. Dirty dice or titillating tic-tac-toe first?
Toe.
What kind of tic-tac-toe?
Tic-tac-toe for adults. And don't read, just pick one. You'll pick the naughty one.
Oh, I did. Man, I picked the PG one.
Woohoo!
Because on the PG one, 2-minute makeout, 3-minute foot massage. On the R-rated one, strip tease and R-rated wrestling match. So that's after we filmed.
Is that a naked wrestling match? What does that mean?
We'll have to
Sounds
explore
dangerous.
that. It sounds dangerous. When you have a winner, take the items listed in the winning 3 squares and complete each one.
Do you want to win or not win? Alright, ready?
Ready?
I put mine on hit the club.
Okay. Let's do a 5-minute neck and shoulder massage.
So if you win, do you do that to me or do I do it to you?
I don't know.
Guess we get to choose?
Yeah.
Slow dance to a song.
Wrestling match.
I hate making out. I love your... Oh, a 2-minute makeout? That sounds horrible.
Now you can't win unless I...
You did it on purpose.
But we... Oh, you won.
I won. So mine is 2-minute makeout, slow dance to your song.
Well, so there's more instructions if you go to this website here. So cool.
Yeah.
All
We're
right.
not going to make out for 2 minutes on this video. Or maybe not even after this video.
All right. So dirty dice.
Wait, I have a question. Comment below if you're a making out type person. Do you like to make out?
I could do a makeout. I could do a good makeout.
I can remember when we were dating. Still not being a makeup person. Are y'all makeup? Comment below if you're a makeup person, or if your spouse or significant other is a makeup person.
Dirty dice.
So then it has dice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you'd have to do like dice 1 and dice 3 if you roll 2, and then the time. So like dice 1 is 1 minute. The action is a kiss. The body is butt.
Yeah. So you have to kiss butt for 1 minute. Okay, let's do it. It'll be better. Okay. So 1 minute of nibbling ear, and you have to do it on the floor, and you can use a prop.
Oh wait.
So it all depending on it all depends on how the dice rolls.
I'm gonna see these.
And what the numbers are and everything, because the numbers are all color coded with the dice. So that makes sense.
That makes sense.
That's cool.
I was like, for 1 minute, I need to kiss your butt on the floor with ice.
Do all 6.
Is there 6? What do you think? There's 5.
5.
Okay. Oh my gosh.
Right.
So 5 minute
Massager. You get to use a massager.
10-minute massage.
And tickle and shower and
A 10-minute neck massage in the shower, but you get to do 1 tickle?
yeah, there's like a tickle thrown in there.
I'm in. That sounds amazing.
Okay, so here's my turn.
I'm not forgetting that.
Okay, so heat 5 minutes, lick my lips on the table.
So for 10 minutes, I have to lick your lips with heat on the table.
Yes.
So I'm just gonna roll 3 dice.
All right.
Like, see what that kind of. Oh, but you can shoot.
You just roll the first 3, or
I want to get rid of props because I think props are dumb. The props are ice, heat, blindfold, massager, music, and handcuffs.
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm getting
There's a
rid of
couple that would
And
work.
I'm getting rid of location because I don't really care about the location. In locations like floor, shower, bedroom, table. Okay. 10-minute rub my chest.
Yes. 10 minutes.
If you missed it earlier in the video, I linked up to our first date, which was completely opposite from this one. This is our second date we filmed, and I think this is a big one. This
I love
is
it.
great.
I mean, if there wasn't a camera, I'd really love it.
You're going to love it. But if you are really trying, especially during quarantine or when you're on a budget, to be home, like I've got both of our kids upstairs and my niece, and they're going to bed. It's great. For no more than $39.99, we are going to have a wonderful night, and the gluten-free brownies are actually extraordinarily good.
Really good.
Make sure you use my coupon code below because you get 50% off your first box, which is killer. If you guys have any questions, let us know. Not now because we'll be busy for a little bit, but later. You can let us know later. Comment below. We'll catch you when we're done. All right? We'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.